Hercules is the range of valve boxes designed by Irritrol that combines maximum protection of underground systems with ease of use. The Hercules range meets all the requirements of the professional installer. The small circular, the medium circular, the standard rectangular, the jumbo rectangular. Now let's look more closely at the new features of the Hercules Valve Box. Note the special hand grip that makes it quick and easy to open. The edges of the cover perfectly fit the box, so the interior is protected from water, soil, and other impurities. The green of the cover, similar to our grasshoppers, greatly reduces the visual impact of the valve box. The reinforced angles make the box more stable and resistant. The walls in the designated areas can be cut easily. The Hercules Valve Box can withstand up to 1,500 kilograms, even when the cutting areas are completely open. The cover has an anti-slip surface which avoids the risk of accidental falls, even when wet. Now let's look at the assembly of the standard rectangular valve box. Dig a hole the size of the box, as this will decrease the problems of setting. It's good to put gravel underneath to improve the drainage and avoid rising water. Once the valves are installed, mark the points on the box that need to be cut, taking care to remain inside the designed areas. To cut the shape and size desired, you don't need any electrical tools, you just need a pair of secateurs. As the valve box is so easy to cut, it's possible to make the holes the exact size of the pipes, thus preventing soil and other impurities entering the box. The positioning of the cover is simple with its specific point of insertion and the built-in handle. Remember to close the valve box before replacing the earth around it, making sure it doesn't move or rise. Valve boxes are the result of continuous research and innovation that distinguishes the Irritrol brand. For your system, in accordance with best practice, install Hercules Valve Boxes.